Hi you guys, how you doing? How are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Annabelle and I'm so happy you're here. Today's video is going to be so fun because I am testing out something I've never done before with the Dyson Airwrap. I haven't looked at videos of it, so I'm sure other people have done it or done YouTube videos or TikToks about this, but basically I want to see if I can use my Dyson Airwrap to create more of a beachy wave on my hair. So my hair is going to be washed tomorrow, so if it goes terribly, it's okay. I want to see on like my dry hair that has some dry shampoo, some texture from the last few days, if I could manipulate the barrel almost like a wand to make beachy wave. Again, this is going to be a little bit more work and not the way like the Airwrap's designed, because Airwrap's designed to curve all your ends under and make it super blown out, but I'm like intentionally wanting to like challenge myself and see if I can use this tool and in just a bit of a different way. So if you're interested in just seeing how I did this, if it works, if it doesn't, testing out something kind of fun and different with me, then keep watching this video. As always, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me to gain more of you on this channel. We do lots of fun things over here, so make sure you subscribe. My plan today was actually to clip in some extra hair. So these are the BFB fill-in extensions, I believe in like 18-inch, but they're quite old. I've had them for a while. The color's faded out a little bit, and I did like refresh it kind of with some shampoo, the shampoo and conditioner that I use for my current hair color. If you're wondering what that is, check out my video where I tell you how I keep my red hair and everything you need to know. But I think I'm just gonna clip these in. They have kind of like some texture, just like my hair right now, and we can air wrap it all together and see how it goes. I'm just gonna brush out my hair first, because I haven't actually brushed it today. I kind of just use my fill-ins back to back. So this is the first section. Again, it's higher up because these are just 2-3 clips. That's all that comes in the fill-in set from BFB Hair. And I'm gonna see, I think they're both the same length because I've cut them over time. Yeah, this one looks maybe a tiny bit shorter, but honestly it kind of looks the same. And then I'm just gonna clip this in. I want to know how everybody's 2023 is going so far. How is your January? I don't love winter months, but my birthday is literally in a couple weeks, so January 25th, in case you're wondering. So that kind of makes me a little bit more excited, but I'm like not, I'm such a summertime sunshine type of girl, so I'm missing that. So I sectioned out some hair right above that clip, and then we'll clip in this one as well. All right, I'm gonna use some heat protectant. This is the Bumble and Bumble Thermal Protection Mist. Heat protection is just important. Okay, so in case you're like, how the heck are you even going to try and create a beachy wave using the Airwrap? What my idea was is to just take, I'll just take random sections, because again, might not do every piece. I just kind of want it to look textured because I've got some wave to my hair. Is manually take my hand, wrap it around almost like it was a wand, and hold my end straight and see if it curls the hair along here. Again, if this actually works and isn't a nightmare to do, this is just great because the way this technology the Dyson's made is it uses heat, of course, but it's a lower heat plus airflow, so it's trying to like retrain your hair into the style. So it's less damaging because of the heat level than a curling iron or a wand. So it'd be great if it actually works. So let's just try. Okay, I'm at a cool shot. Here comes the moment. Oh my gosh, do you see how it created like a beachy wave? Wait, I wonder if this will hold at all. Again, this is on dry hair, so this may not hold, but I'm gonna let it just sit like that. I'm gonna do some more pieces. All right, you guys, we're making some progress. right, this is one side. Some of the pieces seem like they're holding, some of them don't. I can't really quite tell yet. But I'm gonna take some hairspray and spray it just while it sets. I'm gonna do the other side and check back in with you, and then we'll see the final result. I'm kind of just taking random sections and curling them. I don't really know, but I'm kind of excited. All right, both sides are done, and I would say it took as long as curling, or at least I spent as much time curling. So let's begin to shake this side out. It has fallen a lot though. Put some dry shampoo in my hair. Honestly, not terrible. Let's look at the back. I don't know, I kind of love it. It's probably gonna last for like 2 seconds, but it's kind of like an effortless bombshell type of vibe. What do you guys think? Would you ever try this out for fun on your hair? A little textured Beachy Dyson Airwrap. I wonder if I used like actual products and did it from when my hair is wet, if it would look even better, because again, my hair was completely dry, and you know, as a fine haired girl that I am, I'm usually always needing some extra help with products. But anyways, this is what it is. We tried it out. I hope you guys had fun with this video. I just thought we would try it out together and test it out. I really like it, and I think I actually would try it again. And it's kind of just fun to change it up. Again, I know this isn't how the Dyson was meant to use, so it's not gonna be like a curling iron or perfect or anything like that, but it's kind of fun just to change it up, and just I own it, so might as well see what she can do. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Always stay creative with your hair. Keep exploring, always. Love ya. Bye.